Hatzilim, alayesh. Hatzilim. Hatzilim is something I don't eat. But I'm gonna do this for one reason. Shulam bias. My wife loves eggplant. I did this one episode on Instagram, on my stories, my Lukovic Shabbos Kodesh stories, which I do every Friday. And the response I got was out of control. Everybody wanted to know the recipe. So here we go to another episode of Heimish at Home, where I'm gonna show you how to prepare a Heimish style eggplant salad for Shabbos that your wife will love. Come, let's cook. Heimish at Home. I have 2 eggplants. 2. I'm gonna peel this halfway. Leaving some of the peel on. Let's prepare this eggplant salad. So I'm gonna cut it straight through in the middle twice. Nice size, right into a bowl. I'm gonna add some whole garlic cloves. I have smoked paprika, black pepper, and salt. Smoked is because we all like that smoky flavor, I think, with eggplant. I think that's the way eggplant is supposed to be. Get that little kick, that little smoke flavor. In. Scallions. Now, to be honest, when I made this recipe the first time, I used some weird spice from the shuk. I don't know what it is. It definitely has some cumin inside. It's some type of mix. Then I got some olive oil. Definitely a nice amount. Don't we all use like olive oil containers like this at home? So cool, right? I'm gonna do a shortcut, guys, okay? Here we go, watch this. Alright, now I'm ready. Beautiful. Let's mix this up. Put this right onto a sheet pan. And put this right into the oven on 400 for around 20 minutes. And then I'll be making a tehina. We'll mix it with some delicious herb tehina. You have some leftover tehina for the week. Let's go ahead. So let's start on the tehina. It's pretty simple. Follow along. 2 lemons. Squeeze that right into a food processor. I love the smell of fresh lemons. Makes me feel like I'm playing around with something fresh. After that, I'm gonna add my garlic. And some salt. Do nothing else. Blend that. Now we're gonna let this sit for around 10 minutes and we'll finish this thing up with some ice water. Okay, so it's around 10 minutes later and I'm about to add my tehina into my garlic, lemon, salt mixture. I'm gonna add my spices, which is some salt, a little cayenne pepper, cumin, and a little zaatar. I like that little zaatar kick. I'm gonna stop blending that. It's gonna get very thick very quickly. And then slowly, I'm gonna start adding some ice water. There we go. It's starting to thicken up right now. I'm gonna start adding a little bit of ice water at a time. I'm gonna get that beautiful, creamy deliciousness. So you wanna put in the full cup of water. Let's see what happens. Beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Let's taste it. Perfect. Okay, so now it's time to pack away my tehina. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Every time I prepare something Lukovic Shabbos, we have a label. Lukovic Shabbos Kodesh. I do this every Friday. I do this on Instagram every week. You can follow me. It's at Snaps Kosher. You'll see me do this. Here I have some checked and cleaned parsley. Right into whatever's left over of the tehina. A little bit. I'm going to keep whatever is going. I'm just going to blend it up a little bit more. My herb tehina is ready. It looks good. It's 25 minutes later. It looks nice and ready. And I'm going to finish this dish. Watch me. They'll do this in no time in your house. Try to get all that stuff in. Once you take it out of the oven, let it cool for around 15-20 minutes. Once that's cool, once you get it into your bowl, get your tehina in. Remember, you put some herbs in here when you made your tehina. You finished it up, so you get the delicious fresh herb flavor in your eggplant. I'm gonna add a little bit of vinegar, just a little bit of sugar, and let's go to town. Let me add a little bit of my pomegranates, fresh chives. I think we're ready. Let's plate this. It's got all the goodness right in there. Let's dress it up. A few more pomegranates. Have a little bit of chives left. Oh, here comes the problem. I don't eat eggplant. I am not gonna taste this. But the person I made this for the first time, she's here to support me while I'm shooting this video. She doesn't know, but I'm gonna ask her right now. Weisz, please, help me taste your, somebody's, I don't know whose, whatever eggplant. Oh, come on, Weisz, you can do it. All right, okay.
Embarrassing.
Yeah, it's embarrassing, I know. No. Hold on a second, hold on.
Cracker.
Here's a cracker. Very good. You see, I wouldn't know.
An expert.
Do it. Come on, I'm gonna watch you. Tell me what you think. Tell everybody else what you think. How's it taste?
It tastes very good.
You think the recipe is good?
Am I done?
No, I think I made you a special cappuccino
Oh.
that I think we should do it together, but you have to say l'chaim before you do it. Here you go, hold on a second. Because we're doing this on camera and we never did this on camera before.
No, never.
Okay, but you have to make, you don't have embarrassment?
You don't. You make a cappuccino.
Thank you for watching my show, Heimish at Home. Stay tuned for the next episode. We'll have so much fun together. And for the number one question that everybody always asks me, whose kitchen is this in? Guess what? Check out this guy, a Roselli Kitchen. He'll answer all your questions.